Dear good day, students. Students, welcome once again in the economics class. Students, in the previous class, you have studied about the change in quantity demanded and change in demand, which is also known as movement along the demand curve and shift in demand. And that in the previous class, I have told you about what are the different names of change in quantity demand and change in demand, and what are the reason. Change in quantity demanded and change in demand is also known as movement along the demand curve. That is, the movement may be upward movement and downward movement, which is known as contraction in demand and extension in demand. So in the previous class, I have explained you about the extension in demand. Today I am going to explain you the contraction in demand. Contraction in demand means when the demand decreases. And how the demand decreases? Demand decreases when there will be the rise in the price of the commodity. Then the demand of the consumer decreases. That is known as contraction in demand. And you all know that change in quantity demanded, या movement along the demand curve, is due to change in own price of the commodity, not because of change in other factors. In this condition, the other factors remain constant. Only there will be change in price of the commodity. So what is contraction in demand? Contraction in demand means other things being equal. Other things, you know, that other factors, all other factors are equal except price. When quantity demanded decreases due to rise in own price of the commodity, it is called contraction of demand. मीन्स यहाँ पर सिर्फ प्राइस में चेंज होगा, दैट इज प्राइस क्या होगा, प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा. प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड जो है वो क्या होगी, डिक्रीज होगी, क्योंकि जब प्राइस महंगा, कोई चीज़ महंगी मिलती है तो कंज्यूमर इज परचेजिंग लेस. इट इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड. This I can explain you with the help of graph and schedule. This is the schedule of contraction in demand. This is contraction in demand. This is price and this is the units. Price of X commodity, and these are the units of X commodity. So when the price of the commodity is 1, the consumer is purchasing 5 units. And suppose when the price rises to 5, the consumer is purchasing only 1 unit. This is the schedule of contraction in demand. This I can explain you with the help of graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. In the x-axis I am plotting the units of demand, quantity, and here price of X commodity. So when the price, this is the price is 0, when price is quantity is in 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, and the price is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So students, when the price of the commodity is how much, 1, the consumer is purchasing how many commodity, 5. That is, when the price is 1, the consumer is purchasing 5 units. So here the demand is 5 units. But suppose when the price rise to 5, अब प्राइस अगर 1 से 5 हो जाता है, प्राइस विल बी 5 मीन्स 1 रुपये से 5 रुपये हो जाता है. So the consumer is previously is purchasing 5, now the consumer is purchasing only 1 unit. So the demand comes to here. That is, demand will be 1 units when the price is 5 units. So previously when the demand curve is here, now the demand curve slope upward. डिमांड जो है वो डिमांड का अपवर्ड स्लोप होगी. दिस इज नोन एज अपवर्ड मूवमेंट इन डिमांड कर्व एंड दिस इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड. दिस इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड कैसे होता है. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मतलब डिमांड का कम होना. डिमांड कब कम होगी, जब प्राइस बढ़ेगा. When the price of the commodity rises, the demand of the consumer falls. This is known as contraction in demand. That is, when price is 1, consumer is purchasing 5 units. But when price rise to 5, अगर प्राइस 5 रुपये हो गया तो अब कंज्यूमर सिर्फ 1 ही यूनिट खरीद रहा है. इसका मतलब इसकी डिमांड कम हो गई, जिसे हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड कहेंगे. सो दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन डिमांड. देयर इज ओनली चेंज इन प्राइस एंड अदर फैक्टर्स remain constant. So students, understand what is contraction in demand. अब आपको extension and contraction दोनों ही समझ में आ गया होगा. Extension in demand means when demand increases, and when the demand increases, when the price of the commodity decreases. and contraction in demand means that demand decreases, and when the demand decreases, when the price of the commodity increases, price बढ़ेगा तो demand कम होगी, जिसे हम contraction कहेंगे. contraction में आपका जो demand का है वो upward move करेगी. It is upward moving is contraction and downward moving is extension. So जब हम quantity demanded की बात करें, that is change in quantity demanded, तो इसमें या तो upward movement होगी या downward movement होगी. No new curve will be formed. New curve नहीं बनेगी, same curve में ही movement होगी, either upward or downward. downward कब होगी? जब extension होगा, और upward कब होगी? जब contraction होगा. तो it is known as contraction in demand.